When it comes to choosing the best email templates, GetResponse versus Constant Contact is a question that many businesses face. Both platforms are highly popular for email marketing, but which one truly stands out in terms of ease of use, variety, and customization? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for you, and we'll even reveal an alternative that may surprise you. Let's kick things off with GetResponse. The first thing you'll notice is its rich collection of email templates. GetResponse offers over 500 templates that cover a wide range of industries, from e-commerce to education. This means you can find a design that fits your business right out of the box. The templates are clean and modern, and GetResponse does a great job of optimizing them for both desktop and mobile. However, while the variety is impressive, customization can be a bit limiting. If you want to dive deep into the design, you might feel a bit restricted by the drag-and-drop editor. Next thing, let's talk about Constant Contact. Like GetResponse, it offers a large collection of email templates, over 100 mobile-friendly designs to choose from. The templates are professional-looking and cover many different categories, including events, promotions, and newsletters. One of the perks of Constant Contact is its user-friendly interface, which allows you to easily tweak the design. The drag-and-drop editor here is more intuitive, especially for beginners, making it easier to modify colors, fonts, and images. However, while the customization is good, it's not as extensive as GetResponse's in terms of advanced features. The third thing to consider is the flexibility of both platforms. GetResponse offers a more robust set of features in its template editor. You can add custom HTML, embed videos, and use dynamic content blocks. This is ideal for marketers who need more advanced customizations. Constant Contact, on the other hand, sticks to a simpler approach. It's easy to use, but if you're looking for advanced customization options, you might find it lacking. The fourth thing to mention is the ease of use. Constant Contact takes the lead here for beginners or those who want to get a campaign up and running quickly. The platform's interface is straightforward, and the templates are easy to modify without any steep learning curve. GetResponse, while offering more powerful features, can feel a bit overwhelming for newcomers, especially when dealing with its more complex customization tools. When it comes to template responsiveness, both platforms do a decent job of ensuring that emails look good on mobile devices. But GetResponse does a slightly better job of ensuring that templates are automatically optimized across different devices, making it a top choice for businesses that prioritize mobile-friendly design. Now, let's get into the pricing side of things. Constant Contact's pricing can be a bit more expensive when compared to GetResponse, especially if you're just starting out. However, its free trial gives users a chance to explore its features before committing. GetResponse also offers a free trial, but its lower-tier plans are more affordable for businesses just starting out. But here's the kicker: while both GetResponse and Constant Contact are great tools, there's a better alternative if your main goal is to get the best email templates without sacrificing on functionality. After trying both platforms myself, I found that one platform truly hits the sweet spot between ease of use, customization, and affordability. If you're looking for a more robust solution that combines the best features from both of these platforms, you should take advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. So, while GetResponse and Constant Contact are both solid options, if you're after the best email templates and features that cater to your business needs, don't miss out on the free trial and unique perks by clicking the link in the description.